Hello friends, in this video we will explain the method of solving the problem of not receiving notifications and Instagram messages. Sometimes you do not receive Instagram messages and notifications only when you enter it. Today, it is simple and easy. All you have to do in the language is to follow the steps explained in this video, but before broadcasting in the explanation, no. Forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share the video. Now let us go through the explanation. The first step you do is to go to the settings, then what? Click on the settings. You search for the word applications from among the settings. You click on it. After that, you click on the applications again, which will appear to you. Then you search for the Instagram application is among the applications that you have, and if you want to save time, just type in the application search engine. There is Instagram, and Instagram will appear directly to you. After that, you click on the notifications, and here you will make sure that all the notifications are activated like this. After that, you go down to the bottom and also make sure that these options are activated. Then you click on More Settings, you will click on Messages. After that, there are some settings that we must activate, for example, receiving messages, leave it OK, and all of these settings, verify them, and after that, the problem will be solved for you. I hope you liked the video. If you have any problem, write it in the comments. If you have any questions, any advice, or any suggestions, please write them in the comments. See you in the next video.